Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, it's a privilege to read the citation for the Small Scale Entrepreneur of the Year 2021. This award is sponsored by Messrs. National Mineral Development Corporation Limited, and the recipient is Mr. Mahesh Wadela Gupta, founding member and managing director, HMDA Truck Dock Logistics Private Limited. Mr. Mahesh Wadela Gupta is a founding member of HMDA Truck Dock Logistics Private Limited and the managing director of the SPC, which provides Logistics Park for providing necessary infrastructure solutions and logistics with a state-of-the-art facility as a quasi-government entity of Government of Telangana. He has, to his credit, more than 2 decades of experience in professional engagements ranging from JLL, PDS, Suburbana, PSUs, financial institutions, etc. Mr. A.R. Gupta is a postgraduate in architectural studies from SPA JN FAU. He is widely recognized for his architectural acumen and urban design works, which emphasize the underlying concern for the environment and his passion for innovation and entrepreneurship skills. Being responsible for creating numerous commercial and corporate office buildings, Mr. Gupta is widely regarded for pushing boundaries and bringing innovation to the sector. His work has a focus on designing locally, advocating civic responsibility and environmental responsiveness to create contextually sensitive and accessible projects that are comfortable to inhabit and foster business ecosystems. Mr. Mahesh Gupta speaks regularly at universities across various forums on real estate, urban development, and digital technology in architecture, and is appointed as the Executive Council member at SPA Jawaharlal Nehru Fine Arts University, and has mentored various startup firms, especially in the field of design, skilling, and allied activities. His works include a broad range of projects ranging from industrial architecture, office buildings, and residential and mixed-use developments to entertainment destinations and public spaces across India and Singapore that integrate urban and architectural design. In recognition of his outstanding entrepreneurship in promoting and managing a company in the small-scale sector, which has achieved exceptional performance in recent years, and for his maintaining exemplary standards of business for himself and his company, the Hyderabad Management Association is pleased to confer the Small Scale Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2021 on Mr. Architect Mahesh Wadela Gupta, founding member and managing director, HMDA Truck Dock Logistics Private Limited. Please give a round of applause to Mr. Mahesh Gupta. Thank you. Oh.
Yeah. This is the second award, I think, that's been sponsored by National Mineral Development Corporation. A big round of applause for Mr. Mahesh Wadela Gupta, Managing Director, HMA Truck Dock Logistics Private Limited. Mr. Mahesh Gupta, you could say a few words.
It fed us all through the pandemic. There is an imminent need in the government of Telangana or government of India where they should come up with a logistics policy and foster the industry. Because if you actually remove the supply chain from the system, we'll be out of supplies very, very soon. And I'm very glad about the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and also Telangana government is coming up with a policy to foster the logistics. So I would request all of the entrepreneurs to take up this space, as this is a sunrise industry which is actually fostering very, very well. I am glad that this pat on my back will actually help a lot of others to get inspired and get into the space. I sincerely thank you.